Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Ransome Model 10P, 1,000 pound welding positioner, 1,000 pound capacity, 30-inch slotted faceplate. This is in real nice shape for its age. All original paint. Someone did weld wheels on the bottom. You can take it off the wheels if you want, but it's on wheels for now. Like I said, all original paint. Just a very nice looking machine. Never banged up or abused. Was in a small, very small welding shop. Tilt it first. Tilts to the full 90. Currently wired for low voltage, 3-phase. This is a decent sized through hole. I forgot to measure that, but I'm going to say it's about a 3-inch through hole on here. Just verify that. So if you wanted to weld flanges or something, you needed to go all the way through, just a little shy of 3, I'm going to say that, just about 2 3/4 inch through hole. There's a switch to go back and forth between on and the foot pedal. So let's run it first in the foot pedal. So here's the foot pedal, on low, let's pick the speed up. Reverse it. Or you can put the switch the other way and then just pick what direction. Go forward. Slow it down. Slow down real low. There you have it. It's a nice clean welding positioner. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.